Hey guys, welcome back to another video, TR Racing. Today we've got Andrew from Go For Drives, Ae86. Check it out. And as you can see by the title, we're installing some adjustable cam gears and a nice HKS timing belt to make this thing look pretty. And also Andrew is doing a full Haltech 750 Elite ECU upgrade with a new wiring harness. So today we're going to be installing cam belt and the adjustable cam gears, and then once Andrew gets his new intake manifold with individual throttle bodies, is it Andrew?
Yep.
Then we can install all that, and he'll be getting a dyno tune, probably at Mike from Diesel and Turbo. Nods his head yes.
Yep.
So yeah, stay tuned. Rightio guys, so we've removed the old cam gears, exhaust and intake, and as you can see we've installed the new Kelford cam gears. They look pretty good, don't they?
Looks nice and shiny.
So now we're going to go ahead and install the nice HKS cam belt and yeah, make it look pretty and then put it all back together. So we're just putting all our belts and pulleys back on. Doesn't that look good? Go for a first start soon and see what she's like. Rightio, so as you can see, all done. We're gonna go for the first start and see how she runs. Go for it. Right. Sounds good. It's working. 100 more horsepower, eh? Anyway guys, some of you know this engine, our 25 Det Neo. You do remember we had to rebuild this engine because unfortunately we got scammed on Facebook. Paid a lot of money that we ended up finding out the engine was damaged, unfortunately. But what if there was a way to stop frauds and having money lost because someone scammed you? Well, that's why we're here to tell you we've collaborated with a new business called BoostBay. What is BoostBay? I'm about to show you right now.
Welcome to BoostBay, your premier destination for buying and selling secondhand motorsport parts. We are the first to create a marketplace specifically tailored for the secondhand motorsport parts market. Designed by enthusiasts. For enthusiasts. The motorsport parts market is inherently fragmented, making it tough to find what you need. But BoostBay solves this by offering a centralized, trusted marketplace. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, our platform ensures a seamless experience. Our escrow system through Stripe Connect prevents fraud by holding payments until buyers confirm they've received their items, ensuring fairness and security. We charge a simple 10% commission on each sale, helping us maintain and enhance our marketplace for everyone. Currently available in New Zealand, BoostBay has plans to expand globally in the near future, connecting enthusiasts from around the world. Join our community of motorsport enthusiasts. Share knowledge, find inspiration, and build lasting connections with BoostBay. Thank you for choosing BoostBay.
So yeah, cheers for watching that video. You'll see more of BoostBay on our up and coming videos. So make sure you subscribe and follow their platform. They're a free sign up platform Now I've currently got some parts of this car on there for sale, so check it out if you're after parts, interior parts mainly, but they're hard to come by these days in good condition. So I'll leave the link, BoostBay, in the description below, so here, have a look please. Cheers guys, so we've installed, we've test run, everything looks good. So on the next video you'll see of this car, it'll have the new intake manifold, Haltech wiring, new fuel pump, and also the Haltech Elite 750, which we both run in this car here, which is our drift car you guys know about. Andrew's going to get the clear cover for here. There's not much point having all these nice shiny bits if you can't see them, eh Andrew?
Going to get them dirty as well.
Yeah. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Have a beer.